Hi, I'm Nicole Winstanley from Descartes Systems. I'm pleased to be here today with our longtime customer Tomlinson in the Ottawa area. Today we have the pleasure of Tomlinson sharing with us the ways that Geotab has helped to enhance their business operations, to drive improvements in compliance, safety, productivity, sustainability. Look forward to seeing what they have to say.
Tomlinson is an environmental and infrastructure company. We do the heavy construction work, the roads, the bridges, highways, aggregates, asphalt, ready mix. And then on the environmental side, the whole broad spectrum of waste collection and reuse. We use vehicles for everything we do. We have to deliver our products to site. We have to use the vehicles in order to build the projects. And then we have to use the vehicles to get our people to and from the jobs and interact with the customers. We were trying to look for a tool to help us keep track of our on-road assets.
Trucking is the core of the business, and telematics is a huge part of that.
I think what Geotab does for us is it gives us visibility to the assets, what they're doing, fuel consumption, how they're operating, driver behaviors, and it kind of gives us a risk profile for what's happening and gives us a tool to use for teaching and development for drivers as well.
So every single vehicle in the fleet is monitored through Geotab, either CVOR or non-CVOR light duty vehicles. So legally, obviously, we're not required for every single vehicle in the fleet on the commercial side to be ELD, which is electronic logging devices, but we just chose to go that way and make sure that the whole company was standardized. So hours of service, inspection reports, pre-trips inspections, it keeps us compliant.
It helps us change business practices in order to be more efficient.
We're a small team that's able to monitor that plated fleet, and we don't need much more to it because we have access to the telematics and all those reporting systems that are working for us in the background. It becomes second nature to the driver. They get used to it. They're used to running the actual app on the tablet. It's very user-friendly. One of the advantages compared to other systems that we've worked with and other drivers that come in saying, I really like Geotab, just having the GPS itself mounted into the vehicle, and that's where it's monitoring. Every division kind of pulls something from Geotab. So just having that efficiency there for reporting is excellent.
The data that we get really lets us take a look at operations, how the vehicles are performing or being utilized.
Everybody who brings us feedback, automatically it's a response to the email. The first thing you get from it is like, this is amazing. A couple of months ago, we had one of our managers' vehicles that was actually stolen and was taken into Laval, Quebec. We tracked that vehicle with the telematics system all the way into Laval. We gave Laval police a civic address, not an area, but a civic address to where that vehicle was parked. Went and picked that vehicle up the next morning, brought it back, repaired it. Within a week, it was back on the road. That would have been 6 to 8 months of downtime for that manager. As Geotab just keeps evolving, we just keep utilizing as much as we can. We use it for basically everything that it offers.
The more data that we can collect, the more information that we can take a look at, analyze, and then use the practices into our business, the better off our business will perform. And Geotab's helping us do that.